How's it going, guys? I'm here working on the drop top W209 CLK. So I'm going to be removing the rear seats. So to remove the rear seats, you have these protective clips here that you would pull up, flip down, and then you have a nut here that you would want to remove. That nut is it's a 1/2 inch, and it's loose now. So that's going to be on 2 driver side, 2 passenger side. Once you remove these nuts, you'll be able to pull the seat up and forward. So you see the other side. I took out the other side, and then just pull it up. All you gotta do is pull it up, and the seats will come right up, just like that. And that's how you remove the rear seats, the rear bottom seats on the W209.